Alright, these are scenes from outside Sharad Pawar's residence where Team Anna supporters are protesting. After the Prime Minister's residence, Pawar is in the crosshairs now. Anna supporters have launched a protest outside his residence. Several allegations of corruption against the NCP chief, and that's the reason that Team Anna members, Team Anna supporters have gone there and raised their pitch and shouting slogans against Sharad Pawar. Atish Srivastava, our correspondent, now joins us with more details. Atish, what are the scenes around Sharad Pawar's residence? Has the police been able to restrain all these people?
Yes, so far police is desperately trying to restrain all these people because they are throwing small stones at Sharad Pawar's house, or in fact throwing pouches of water at Sharad Pawar's house. Sharad Pawar is right now not inside his house. But yes, there are around 20 to 25 people who are now protesting, and they are protesting against Sharad Pawar. This is a clear, well-planned strategy by Team Anna actually to go across to all those ministers who appear in the list of corrupt ministers as far as Team Anna is concerned. And this is just an attempt because they did day before yesterday they had gone to 7 RPR right outside Prime Minister's residence, and now they are protesting outside Sharad Pawar's residence. This is a well-planned strategy by Team Anna.
And Atish, help us understand what the scenes outside look outside Sharad Pawar's residence. Of course, we can see them on our television screens at the moment, but are they as vociferous in their protest as we can see on the television screens?
Yes, exactly, because there are around 25 to 30 youngsters who have come out and they are right now protesting, and they all have the flag of India and they are shouting slogans against Sharad Pawar and saying Allah Zindabad. So this is something which Team Anna wanted. They wanted to this entire movement, this entire class which is going on to gain some momentum, and they're hopeful that after this they probably will be able to put some enthusiasm to gain some momentum in this entire protest.
Atish, what's the police doing about the situation?
Now, as we speak, police is definitely trying to lift all those people who are protesting right outside the Pawar house into a bus, and then probably they will take them to a nearest police station. So that is becoming very difficult because this crowd is full of youngsters, and they are actually presenting as far as police is trying to put them inside the bus right now.
Alright, yes, absolutely, Atish. In fact, we can see those visuals now from outside Sharad Pawar's residence on the right-hand side of your television screens. The police taking those protesters, about 20 to 30 number, young people protesting outside Sharad Pawar's residence, supporters of Team Anna. Atish Srivastava actually assessed the situation. Let's listen into Atish's report.
Right now we are outside Sharad Pawar's house. You can see behind me the supporters of Anna Hazare are here and they're protesting outside Sharad Pawar's house. Sharad Pawar is a prominent name in the list of corrupt ministers which Anna Hazare and Arvind Kejriwal has released during the protest which they're performing right now. There has been doubt about the public support which they've been getting so far, and in fact not many people are here right now, but yes, they have planned to perform these kind of protests outside most of those cabinet ministers whose name appear in the list of corrupt ministers by Anna Hazare. Anna Hazare is hopeful that this probably will try and motivate the youth and youngsters to come out and protest out in open against us. They do want a strong Lokpal. They were protesting against a weak Lokpal which has been brought in by government so far, and now they are taking this is a strategy, a well-planned strategy by Team Anna, that now they will go and protest for their rights, and Anna Hazare is on path, and this kind of protest will definitely gain momentum. With Cameron Vishal, Atish Srivastava in Delhi for Headlines Today.
Alright, what you can see on your television screens are two sets of visuals. One of people protesting outside 7 RCR that happened about 2 days ago, when suddenly about 60 to 70 Team Anna supporters reached the Prime Minister's residence, and they were actually shouting slogans over there, even scribbling on the pavement, many of them writing objectionable words also, which was something that did create some bit of a controversy. Today what we are seeing is that supporters, about 20 to 30 number, having reached Agriculture Minister Sharad Pawar's residence, shouting slogans against him. Remember, he's one of the prominent faces who figures among the 14 ministers, excluding Pranab Mukherjee now, since he's the president, who figure in Team Anna's list of corrupt ministers of the UPA. About 20 young people reaching Sharad Pawar's residence today shouting slogans. At the moment, what we understand is that the police is trying to restrain them, taking away many of them to the nearest police station.